Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting this kitchen roof replacement. Excuse me. If you remember in an earlier video we had to remove this because it was rotten. We started prepping the wall head for a wall plate, but this lintel has got a number of cracks in it. It's an old homemade, probably cast in place job. The odd bit of seashell in it. So we're going to, first things first, whip that out, replace that, 2 new lintels, and then we can get a wall plate on here. We'll get a plate bolted on up there, and then ready to start cutting rafters. So that's that out, a bit easier than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was all cast as one. There's 2 different parts. So we got these 2 lintels bedded in. Kept them as level as I can. The wall head's got some bumps in it, so I'm going to have to bed the wall plate on. You can see this one sits further up, creates that wee sort of rebate. Still got a wee cut to put in there. Window pushes out, front face into there, then it steps up at the back for the case for the weights. So wall runner on, just stitched on with hammer fixings and now till we get some resin bolts in. We'll put them in between where the rafters are, but we can carry on with that now. So we're just going to take some sizes, check our, I've got a feeling they're not all going to be exactly the same size. This wall's not amazingly plumb, and I doubt it's amazingly square, but for all it is, it won't take as long to cut them individually. Cracking day now. We're on the late ferry, so hopefully we can, got a couple of hours, we're going to get a few of these rafters cut in today and finished off in the morning. Morning everyone, we're back on site. It's Monday morning. Today's plan is to finish the mid-dwangs and then cut the tails off where they're to go, so that we've got a wee bit of that wee bump out bit, put a wee kind of small rafter section on that, and then that'll be the structure of the lean-to done, and we'll be ready for the wood fibre tongue groove boards to go on top. Okay, let's go. That's me got the structure done. Mid-dwangs in this morning. We decided just to make this one continuous fascia piece instead of dwanging in between. I just brought the dwangs it. Well, the dwangs were going to be in the wall head, but I just thought it'd be better to bring it forward, cut the rafters 45 back from where I was planning on. I kept the two end ones long so that I could get a fixing into the ends, just makes it feel a bit more sturdy.
Try that, see if it goes through the brakes. If not, we'll take the big boy out.
There's a wave, Huge. Say hi, guys. Found the wood fibre sarkin boards quite easy to deal with. A wee rip snort was just a tiny bit shy going right through, but it was actually easier to cut than the flexi stuff, that's for sure. It's all on, it's all fixed on. That'll help. The insulation values, there's 2 layers of 100mm going in here, flexi. So that gives this room a real good barrier, keep that heat in. Guys, that was a busy enough shift today. We got this wood fibre sarkin on, got a roof paper on, and we got on some of the counter battens. I forgot to pick up 2 benches this morning from the yard for the boat, so we'll catch that tonight and finish it tomorrow morning. That all went on pretty well, and we got this window and one round the corner in as well, so it seals up a fair bit of that kitchen. This wee window opening is going to get bricked up. This wee old chimney is going to get capped off. Right guys, keep this brief. I'm trying to avoid the wind for the crackling in the video. That's that roof taken as far as we can go now. Roof sheets are in order, so hopefully it won't be too long before we can get the top on this. And there's a LED flashing to go along the back, and this brick wall is to be extended to form a bulkhead for this extension going on here. So we got a couple of windows in as well, which was a wee bonus. So it's quite well sealed up and hopefully keep most of the weather out. Next we're moving on to VCLs and strapping inside upstairs, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching, cheers for now.